Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of Wealth Step by Step. And man, we are having fun with these type of comp plans. It's amazing, as times change, how comp plans can evolve. Now, this company, Wealth Step by Step, has been flying under the radar basically for almost 5 years. And they've been paying this good and like clockwork for almost 5 years. And it's just taking off now. I don't know how this thing has been sitting there, but now people are getting a hold of it and going crazy with it because this comp plan pays so well and it's so simple of a company, the products, and it's nothing complicated for somebody to have to understand. And throughout this Wealth Step by Step review, I'm going to throw out some comparisons here because, things change over time and we've changed the way we've done business. We just recently joined another company called AI Viral Downline that I've done videos on and promoted as well. And that company, I believe, when you look at their comp plan, modeled it after Wealth Step by Step, two different products, two different companies. But AI Viral Downline is brand new, where Wealth Step by Step has been flying under the radar with this comp plan. And both of these are blowing up. One's new, one's older, and they are both absolutely blowing up. And you can see why when you take a look at their comp plans. And I've covered the other comp plan for AI Viral Downline in my videos as well, so you can watch that if you want to. But we've added Wealth Step by Step to our portfolio of things we promote because we do have the ability to promote multiple things in a huge way because we've been marketing online for me over 22 years now, my son 13 or 14 years, and we have masses of traffic at our disposal. I did a video on one of the traffic programs where we get literally thousands of visitors just from that one traffic program that we use all the time. And you can watch that on my YouTube channel, the Hercules review video. If you're looking for traffic for any of these things that you get involved in with us. But these comp plans absolutely rock. Wealth Step by Step comp plan rocks because of the fact, like I said, it's simple and it pays a lot compared to other models. So how does Wealth Step by Step pay out commissions per level? You can see this is a 3x8 or soon to be 3x8. It's a 3x7 currently, and you can see they have the 8th level here because they are rolling that out, the 8th level. But it's been a 3x7 now for roughly so many years, and now it's going to become a 3x8. They're going to add that level. But it pays out on the first level $10 commissions. So people can literally get in profit immediately because 3 people will equal $30, and basically your monthly thing is covered because it costs $28 to join Wealth Step by Step, and with tax it comes to like $30.03. There is no admin fees, there is no affiliate fees. That's the great thing about like AI Viral Downline and Wealth Step by Step as well. It opens the door to even more people coming in, and why they're flocking to these because of the fact the barrier of entry is so low. It's just a monthly commitment of basically $28. Like I said, with Wealth Step by Step, you got that dollar something tax or whatever it is, and it comes to like $30.03 a month. No other expenses, none. And you're immediately covering it with 3 people in your downline, and this is a forced matrix, so it does not matter who sponsors them. It could be your upline, could be rolling like us and putting people in, and your thing could get covered really quick because it's only 3 people that it takes, and you're out promoting. Believe me, people are joining this, so all you got to do is share your links and keep sharing them, and people will join. Why? Because there's so much good things to these. And the ability to earn, because that's what people want to know, is what's in it for them. They don't care about everything that you're doing and all this kind of stuff. They want to know what's in it for them. And that's why the masses flock to these newer types of comp plans, because the older ones and ones that have launched in the last few years besides Wealth Step by Step, all of them like Save Club, which launched not too long ago, and then you got Live Good, which launched several years ago now, 3, 4, whatever. And then you got Momentum Tech that launched a few months ago. And you got other ones like that where they pay 25 cents per person in your downline. And this pays $10, like I said, on the first three, no matter who puts them there, no matter who puts any of these people in. And the combination of a team growth through a force matrix like this can grow very rapidly. So $30 on that level. The second level is paying $5 per person. So that equals 45, and you can see the total monthly then added together. 30 plus 45 equals 75. And then the third level through the seventh level, and to be soon the eighth level, all pay $2 per person for every person in that level. And you can earn a grand total of, with the 3x7, of $6,609 a month, which basically you have roughly 3,000 people in your total downline, roughly. And in comparison, if you've ever been promoting the three companies I mentioned or other ones like that where they pay 25 cents per person in your downline, the thing about that is you need, let's see, 25,000, I'll throw out there on a calculator, times 25 cents equals $6,250. So in any other MLM, network marketing, affiliate marketing, where they pay multiple levels, where you earn only 25 cents per person in your downline, you literally need 25,000 people in your downline to earn $6,250. Where with this one, and like AI viral downline as well, you're talking like 3,000 people and you're earning $6,609. And those other ones, you need 22,000 more people to equal that same kind of earnings. That is crazy. Now you can see why people join these and why we basically now are promoting multiple things. We have a Google Doc that I'll leave in the description here as well through this video. All you got to do is click on more underneath the video and you can find links to step by step to join us. But you'll also see my traffic sources, that some of them that we're using that we use all the time. And these work. Just watch my Hercules video. I show income shots from things we've promoted in the past, because some of these are new that we just added and we're already making money in all of them. AI viral downline, step by step. So basically we now are promoting three things at once, and we have the ability to do that. If you have no experience, of course, start with one, learn how to promote, share your links. It's not complicated. These programs are not set up to be complicated, but we're promoting three things: Great Life Worldwide, AI Viral Downline, and now Wealth Step by Step. We just could not pass on this comp plan. We could not pass on the launch of AI Viral Downline because, again, AI is huge. Comp plan is very similar. Wealth Step by Step actually pays more per person in total. And once they add that other level, it pays more, the eighth level. And this one is, I like things that have been around. This has been around for almost 5 years, and they've paid on time without fail for 5 years, step by step. And so sometimes you take a chance with newer launches of how long they'll be around, like AI Viral Downline. You just don't know. Things come and go all the time in life. No different with businesses. But we really like the combination of what we're promoting and sharing with people. And that's why we added it for any of you that are subscribers or on our email list, and you're seeing us send now these three things. The reason is because these comp plans are so good. We want to share things that can help you to make money quickly. And Step by Step can do that because their comp plan that I showed you here is excellent. And you don't need hordes of people to accomplish some really nice earnings. And once this eighth level, which I know they're working on it because they're starting to put all the information on the pages, so they probably are real close to the eighth level being in place to get paid on. The structure's there. You're talking then over, $26,000 you could be making monthly, which is incredible. The company, again, like I said, has been around almost 5 years. February 9th, 2021. is when it launched by a guy named Adam Walker. The information will be on the page that I put in the description below the YouTube video. You can go through the facts, like where is Wealth Step by Step located? West Valley, Utah. When did Wealth Step by Step start? February 19, 2021. I'm concerned with Wealth Step by Step. Will disclose my name. Nope. Under no circumstances share your contact information with third-party sources. Is the $30.03 include the sales tax? Yes, it's a monthly charge. It comes to $30.03 with the sales tax. How often does Wealth Step by Step pay commissions? Pays on the 10th of a month for the previous month. How do I get paid? You get paid via Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or Bitcoin Cash. It's open worldwide. You can get signups from anywhere because it's a digital products. You want to know more about the products, all you got to do is click on that link below my video, go to the products tab, and you can read all about it. You can watch their videos. They have a page here with the videos on it. And they also have Google Translate enacted on the pages, even on the opt-in pages. So people from other countries can use it. I know Google Translate isn't perfect, but it is enough to help people when making a decision about joining something that is primarily written in English, of course. They use Google Translate to help them understand what Wealth Step by Step is all about and to see more about how it works. It's very simple, and that's why I'm not going to make this video too long, because there's nothing really complicated that I could go into here about Wealth Step by Step. The only other thing that I'm going to go share with you is, does Wealth Step by Step, our team, have a group? And the answer is yes. And you can see people are coming in. There's over 2.4K members. Here's somebody, hey, how's everyone? Some people from the Middle East are able to join. Yep. How do they get their commission? Thanks. They can get paid in PayPal and Bitcoin Cash. Susan McCook is the admin of the group. She's recognizing people who are making money and welcoming new people to the group. You can see Carlos, 25, Veronica, 25, Alfredo, 25. We just got welcomed in yesterday when we joined. Carlos, we sponsored Carlos. We sponsored Celia here in his beautiful mug. And so we're already making money. And we sponsored a couple other people. And this thing is growing, and we have an active group, and you can see the welcoming and people making commissions. That's another one, a whole bunch of people making money. So this thing works, and it works well. It's been around. People are getting paid. We're getting now paid from it, and we wanted to share it with all of our contacts and all of our subscribers, because we want you to win, and we want you to win quick in life. And residual income, you cannot knock it. It has been the mainstay of how me and my son make our living online, is by building big teams, because residual income has literally paid us for years and years and years. And here's a company here that's rock solid and been paying out almost 5 years already, and is growing and taking off now, and has a great comp plan where people can start earning real money with not unrealistic expectations of putting 25,000 people in a team to earn residually. So other than that, my friends, I hope you decide to join us. We look forward to working with you, and have a great day, and we will see you on another video.